Barangay Ryutuba is known for its beautiful surroundings and strong community. As a youth ambassador, how can you help promote unity and pride among the people of Ryutuba? Ang barangay ng Ryutuba ay kilala sa magandang kapaligiran at matatag na komunidad. Bilang isang ambassador ng kabataan, papaano ka makakatulong sa pagtataguyod ng pagkakaisa at pagmamalaki sa mga mamamayan ng Ryutuba?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, Ryutuba is blessed to have such beautiful seas, beautiful forests, mountains, and rivers. As youth ambassadress, I will promote unity and pride by being a good role model of our community, by being a good server and as a strong woman who can stand for our community, not just for our community, but for the future of our environment. And I thank you.